Hey guys, Alicia here. This is not my normal type of video, but on occasion I'm going to throw in some videos just like this about legitimate work from home opportunities. And I have 3 sites that are legitimate. I have done the research, and yes, you can actually make money from the comfort of your own home. Now, depending upon how much money you make, some of these sites you may not make a whole lot, but I'm going to start out with this one. I am on LoveOps. So if you just type in LoveOps.com, and I will put the links of these in the description below. So if you go here, actually, if I click on the main page here and go to LoveOps, this is actually, let me see if I can get back to the very home page. Okay, so this is the home page of LoveOps. It's the modern call center isn't a call center. So is what they do is they outsource all of their work, and you are an independent contractor for them. Okay, so this is actually to attract other people who want to use their business, this main page. So is what you want to do is you want to click on Become an Agent. Now, I have not done this. I just did a lot of research on this company and read a lot of reviews. So they really did get some really good reviews. You know, with any job that you go to research, you're going to see good and bad. So I did see a lot of good reviews about this company. Now, the only thing is here's what you have to work for them. You do have to have a quiet place to work online at home. Like you can't have, you know, distractions like, you know, barking dogs and kids running around, you know, things like that. So it even says traffic, doorbells, TVs, radios. So you need to find a quiet place in your home. And I would suggest on the doorbell, I would put like a piece of tape over your doorbell and maybe a note and say, please do not ring doorbell at this time. Okay, they do also require a corded telephone, the old landline phone. Okay, and you know, it wasn't too long ago I actually got rid of my home phone because, you know, nowadays we all use our cell phones, you know, and everything like that. So you would have to, whoever your internet provider is, you can get a phone for probably not much a month at all. I think in my area we have what used to be Time Warner and is now Spectrum. You can get a great deal on the triple play where you get the phone, cable, and internet, and they offer it at a ridiculously low price. And so I think if I were to call right now, because I've been a customer for so long, and tell them that I would like a corded phone, I think it's only like $20 extra a month to add that. And I don't even think it's that anymore. So the next thing you're going to need is a headset that you can plug into your laptop. They say not to use the Bluetooth ones because sometimes other electronic devices in your home can interfere with that, and sometimes they cut out. So it's better to have it where you can plug in. And when I get on Amazon here, and this is going to be for a lot of these online jobs, you're going to need a headset. Okay, so like right here, it's a USB headset, and it's $18.99, and they offer Prime, you know, once again. So here's one here. It says this one has microphone noise canceling, business headset for Skype, webinar, phone, call center. Okay, so and then just a really good deal on that. Actually, that's the same one as this, the MPOW. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on getting a headset. nor do you need to spend a lot of money on, getting a headset. So those are the requirements. If you just get on LoveOps.com and take a look around. So let's check out the opportunities. Let's just click opportunities. Doesn't matter where these are located, because you can do it from home. So it just says find your calling, start with the right opportunity. So they have roadside assistance, inbound sales, technical support, insurance claims, customer service jobs, food order taking, healthcare, payroll support, and you can apply for these jobs. And some of these you are just part-time. This one right here it says recommended hours per week. So like on this one, inbound sales, you have no minimum. This one right here has recommended hours a week, at least 20 hours per week here on this one, and it's from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. that you get to choose hours in between that time. Insurance claims, hours is 7.5 hours a day. So this is basically an 8-hour workday, and it is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. prior insurance claims experience. And it tells you over here what they need. So here's a good one here. Food order taking, peak times 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. So if you're kind of a night owl like I am, this is a great nights and weekends. And it just says you don't really have to have any skills on this one, just service oriented. You enjoy quick calls. You're a multitasker who can take an order quickly and accurately. So these are just some of the things. And if you have had some payroll experience before, they have it here, peak times, weekdays, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. that you can choose from. And they recommend 10 hours a day on this one. And so you have plenty of opportunity to make good money with this site. Now, one thing I will say is that when you apply, I think the only thing they charge for is like a $25 or $35 background check, and that's it. So to get set up to do this, you can do some research on this yourself. So this is LoveOps.com, and I will leave a link to that in the description below. I'm going to go to the next one. This is called TranscribeMe, and you don't have to have any skills to do this if you are a good typer with good accuracy. If you are not a good typer, you can also Google free typing test, and you can practice and practice, until you can get on here, because I think that they do make you take a typing test to do this. This was voted and top rated best work from home site. So people, it's just saying here that we have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200. And then it looks like it says average monthly earnings are $250. So I don't know if that's just the average of people doing that, just to do it on the side. So basically is what you're doing is you are transcribing things, such as a podcast, for example, or, whatever it is, and you listen to the audio, and then you're going to type. And then all you have to do is click to join the team, and then you can sign up here with all of your information. And I think that they do, I don't know if you have to have Skype with this one or not. But anyway, I do know that this is legitimate, and I also did research on this one too. I would not recommend a work from home site if I did not think it was acceptable. So I don't think they charge anything at all. They just give you really good money. I mean, like I said, $15 to $22 per hour, per audio hour. Okay, so the faster you type, the more money you are going to make. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next site that I wanted to show you. I have now showed you LoveOps, and I have showed you TranscribeMe, which is transcription services. And I'm going to show you something else that is actually not having to sign up or work with anybody on one of these sites. Okay, so I am over here on Fiverr, Fiverr.com. And let me tell you, this is all freelance work, okay? So you can find anything you want. So let's say that we are doing graphics and design. You can do logo design. You can do the packaging design and make these labels for candles. I mean, you can design business cards, t-shirt designs, and you can do this all. So let's just say that I wanted to look for a t-shirt design. Okay, so they're just telling here, here, everything on here is I will do or I will. Okay, so on here, you want to look too for people who have a good rating and lots of good. So this person right here has a 5-star rating and they have 197 reviews. So if you click on this, okay, they're saying they have their basic is $10, which includes commercial use, high resolution. I will create a text type simple t-shirt design. So I mean, you can get on here and do pretty much everything. So I just highly recommend getting on Fiverr and checking it out. Let me type virtual assistant or like personal assistant. Now I have seen this on here before, and if you make up a nice little flyer, you can get on here and put your services of what you offer. So once again, I'm going to try to pick somebody who has, some good ratings. Okay, it says, I will be your personal virtual assistant for $5 a day. Okay, they say that, but on here is what they'll do is they'll put together a personal package, for you. And it just said you can put, write down a list of what services you're good at doing. Data entry, formatting, transcription, research, copy and pasting, data research, web research, email handling. And then you can, put whatever you want and offer. And then I've seen this before too, where they make up a nice little flyer right here. And then they put all the services that they offer, and then they'll also say, I can put together a personal package for you, and they can send you an offer. So let's say that they wanted you to manage their social media, and they wanted you to do all of their typing, handling their travel arrangements, whatever it is. You can be a virtual assistant from home. And I think the best way to get started is right here on Fiverr. I don't think anybody's going to pay $5 for doing all this. So let's check out another one and see. Let me just type virtual assistant this time. I think I typed personal. Okay, so this person has 118 reviews, and This one has 326 reviews. They offer data entry, data collection, data research, web, so you can offer whatever it is that I'm trying to find one that has this in it. I will be a reliable virtual assistant. And here's one right here where she made up a little flyer. So she does data entry, Microsoft Excel, copy and paste, social media management, contact information, address, PDF to Excel spreadsheet, data processing, whatever you can offer. And that's not only the only things that you can offer. I mean, if you get on the main page of Fiverr right here, you can look here. All these things, graphic design, you can do banner ads, t-shirts, you can do flyers and brochures. If you go over here to digital marketing, if you really want to do social media marketing, you can offer that. Writing and translation, you can do resumes and cover letters. This is all freelance work. So I would highly recommend you get on Fiverr and check out all these things because you can make some good money, at home doing this. So once again, this is a little bit out of the normal for me. I'm still really wanting to focus on design skills, and let's figure out a way to work, that we are going to make a passive income online. And that's what I really like to teach. But for anybody who's really wanting to sign up to make a little extra money or just take a few hours a day and work on one of these three sites, the LoveOps, TranscribeMe, or Fiverr, then I would highly recommend checking these out. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this one. Thanks so much, and I hope everyone has a great day.